Ever found yourself screaming at your screen during a K-drama, wishing you could express your shock or anger just like your favorite oppa or uni? You're in luck. Today, we're diving deep into the most dramatic K-drama emotions, shock, disbelief, and anger, so you can sound like a true native, not just a bystander. Picture this, you're casually scrolling through social media, and bam! You stumble upon a shocking reveal from your favorite K-pop idol, or a plot twist in your current K-drama that leaves your jaw on the floor. How do you react in Korean? Let's learn to express that initial, mild shock and surprise. OMG/wow/seriously? Expressing mild shock, surprise, or disbelief in a very casual, often playful or slightly exasperated way. It's an interjection.
헐,
Now you try.
헐,
Formal,
헐.
casual.
It's already casual and versatile.
Watch your pronunciation, the vowel is a deep ah sound, not o or a. Think of the o in love but deeper, or ah in raw. In K-drama, weightlifting fairy Kim Bokju S1E5 at 8:30, Bokju's friends react to a surprising piece of gossip. Really? Seriously? Asking for confirmation or expressing surprise/disbelief in a casual setting with friends or close acquaintances.
진짜,
Now you try.
진짜,
Formal,
진짜.
casual.
already casual. 포포멀, 유스 진짜요. 진재이어요. 오르 정말이세요? 정말 아이세요?
Fill in the blanks. The answer is? In conversation.
나 남자친구 생겼어. 진짜. 응, 어제부터.
Watch your pronunciation, the sound is a soft J, almost like CH in cheese but voiced. The double is tense, a stronger, sharper JJ sound. Oh my goodness! /good heavens! Expressing strong surprise, shock, or astonishment, often with a hint of dramatic flair. More polite than but still versatile.
세상에.
Now you try.
세상에.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is. They would reply.
왜 그러세요?
Quick review. Do you remember all three?
헐. 진짜. 세상에.
Sometimes, OMG just isn't enough. You're not just surprised, you're utterly flabbergasted, questioning reality itself. This section is for those moments when disbelief turns into strong frustration, when you just cannot believe what you're hearing or seeing, perfect for those epic K-drama plot twists. No way. That's ridiculous. That makes no sense. Expressing strong disbelief, often mixed with frustration or a sense of injustice, can be used for situations that are illogical or unbelievable.
말도 안 돼.
Now you try.
말도 안 돼.
Formal,
말도 안 돼.
casual.
already quite versatile. can be used formally or casually.
Watch your pronunciation, the has a clear L sound, but the has a soft D. The is a diphthong, a blend of D and way, like do and dwell. No way /surely not /you don't mean. Expressing strong doubt or disbelief, often hoping that something isn't true. It implies a sense of please tell me it's not true.
설마.
Now you try.
설마.
Formal,
설마.
casual.
already versatile. can be used formally or casually.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
회사에 해고 통보가 왔어. 설마. 진짜. 응, 내 이름도 있었어.
Watch your pronunciation. The N is a clear L sound, similar to the L in bell or pull. It is not a flapped R and not a rolled R. In K-drama, Penthouse S2E12 at 1 hour and 10 minutes, a character whispers. In horror, as a shocking event unfolds, unable to believe her eyes. I can't believe it. Directly stating one's inability to comprehend or accept a situation due to shock, disbelief, or emotional distress.
믿을 수 없어.
Now you try.
믿을 수 없어.
Formal.
믿을 수 없어.
Casual.
way more casual shorter 버전. might just say 말도 안 돼. 말도 on DWA, or J, GI, with a dismissive tone.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is watch your pronunciation. The N is a flapped R sound, like the TT in American English butter. The N is pronounced as a voiced B sound because it moves to the next syllable and is followed by a vowel. That is a tense SS. They would reply.
저도 믿기지 않아요.
Quick review. Do you remember all 6?
헐. 진짜. 세상에. 말도 안 돼. 설마. 믿을 수 없어.
Now, for the moments when disbelief boils over into pure, unadulterated anger or annoyance. You've been pushed too far, someone's crossed the line, or a situation is just plain infuriating. These are the phrases you need to channel your inner K-drama villain or exasperated protagonist. Annoying. / I'm annoyed. / this is irritating. Expressing annoyance, frustration, or irritation at a situation, person, or thing. Highly versatile and common.
짜증나.
Now you try.
짜증나.
Formal.
짜증나.
Casual.
already casual. formal. You might say 짜증납니다. 제이어 정남의 나이다. 오르 짜증나요. 제이어 정나요.
Watch your pronunciation. The is a tense, sharp JJ sound. The vowel is a short EU sound, like the U input but with lips spread flat. The has a clear na sound. Are you mad? / are you angry? Asking someone if they are angry, usually in a casual setting, can be used to de-escalate or acknowledge someone's anger.
화났어.
Now you try.
화났어.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
looking annoyed. 얘야, 너 화났어. 응, 좀.
Are you crazy? / have you lost your mind? A strong, casual expression of anger, disbelief, or exasperation, implying someone is acting irrationally or doing something outrageous. Can be offensive if not used carefully.
미쳤어.
Now you try.
미쳤어.
Formal.
미쳤어.
Casual.
already casual. formal. might use 정신이 없으세요? 정시의 나이 EOPSU세요? Are you out of your mind? more polite.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is Watch your pronunciation. The in is a strongly aspirated ch sound, like in church. That is a tense ss. They would reply.
내가 왜?
In K-drama, reply 1988 S1E15 at 1 hour and 3 minutes, Deok Sun's sister yells at her for a particularly outrageous sibling prank. Quick quiz. Imagine your friend just told you something absolutely unbelievable, and you want to express strong disbelief, hoping it's not true. Which Korean phrase would you use? The answer is SEOL ma. Here's everything you learned today. And there you have it. 9 powerful K-drama emotion phrases to master your inner protagonist or antagonist. Practice these, and you'll be one step closer to sounding like a true native, ready for any shocking twist or dramatic confrontation. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to KoreanFlashX for more engaging lessons, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Next time, we're diving into the world of K-drama confessions, I like you, I love you, and more. Get ready for some heart-fluttering phrases.